Howdy, happy campers. JT here, and it's another fine day out here in Southwest Oklahoma. Well, I thought I'd share this video with you because eventually down the road, you're going to need some new set of tires. Whether you go with all seasons, whether you stay with the same one you got now, with that Grand Trek or Yokohamas, whatever. This is my choice that I decided to go with, and these are the Bridgestone Weatherpeaks. And they're pretty good. I'm not going to bore you details with all that jibber jabber. I'm going to put it at the end, the details, the specs, all of that, and the website. You can look at it. Keep in mind, boys and girls, that I bought these tires specifically for me and my overall needs. So if you're the more adventurous type, for example, you're participating in a Baja 500, or you're trailing beside the ice road truckers out there in Alaska, or even you want to navigate the trails of the hills of Kilimanjaro, well, then you're better off looking for other tires besides these, because they're not going to do that job. Don't get me wrong, the Rav4 Prime has plenty of powers. Okay, no doubt about that in my mind, that if I'm stuck in a mud somewhere or somewhere deep sand, I'm pretty sure I can get my way out of it. But again, it's like running, all right? You want to get the right shoes for the right job. You're not going to go buy some ballet shoes when you're out there doing a 25-mile marathon, all right? Now, I want you to keep this in mind. This is not one of those professional videos like on TireRack.com or somewhere else. This is just from my driving experience. Here's what I will tell you. Never taking it on muddy road, all terrain, no sand driving, no driving on Mount Kilimanjaro or anything like that. These are strictly on the road and a little snow. That's about it. Of course, the rain. And so with that in mind, let me show you what I've got. And here you go, happy campers. Wanted to give you all an idea here. This is the Blizzak, of course, WS70, which is, of course, the pure winter tires. All right. This is the Bridgestone Weatherpeak touring season. That's what it looks like, the threads. All right. I like the ones here because you can tell here it's nice and deep. Same here. We're going to see how she runs on the road and give it a shot from there. Here we are, highway test run, 65 miles per hour, set right there. Let's see what it does. This is on a Bridgestone Weatherpeak. I'm about to take off here in a few seconds just to see the takeoff and the slippage. And of course I didn't totally floor it, but you know, regular takeoff. No slippage in my that I could tell. And how about crossing lanes? No problem there. Again, no problem there again. And I'm doing 50. So far, tire seems to be operating with no problem. And takeoff, turning left. Let's see if I can turn good. Oh, I did feel a slippage there. Maybe because I took off too fast. But again, it did slip a little bit, then it caught. And right now we're doing 39. Might be a little too fast for road conditions. But I have faith in my Prime. And of course, the Bridgestone tires I bought. Of course, I won't try this on the highway. Right now, looking good, no problems. Going left and right on the switching lanes, no problem there. No, I didn't feel any signs of slipping. Should I wait for worse weather conditions? We'll see. Now, from my experience, I'll tell you, the bottom line, to me, the tires are pretty good. All right, a lot better than the Grand Trek PT20s I had on them, the OEM tires. They are pretty solid. They handle well. They did well on the wet conditions. I was driving like 60, 65 miles per hour in the rain, no hydroplaning, anything like that. The snow we had last winter, it wasn't really that good, or wasn't bad anyway, to really show off the details on deep snow. Hopefully it'll snow, I don't know the weather condition this coming winter, but maybe I can make another video and show that to you. The tire wear on it, I was expecting a little better, but I guess it is what it is. One thing, I did put 18,000 plus miles on it before I did the video and got the tire depth, thread left, and it went from 10-30 seconds to 8-30 seconds. So take that for what it's worth. My driving, just so you know, is not aggressive. It's conservative and easygoing. I do rotate them every 5,000 miles. And here it is, boys and girls, the various websites you can look it up. TireRack.com, of course, has the most reviews here. So you can see all the people that's used these tires and bought them. There's the prices right there. And as you notice, it says Grand Touring All Season. Even though I keep mentioning it, they're all weather tires. It says right here, the 3 Peak Mountain Snowflake symbol. And this is the reason what they're designed for. So self-explanatory right there. Go all the way down. It'll show you the specs and everything. And here's the consumer surveys based on people's experience with the tire. And if you look on Amazon, of course, same price. No reviews on here yet. Might decide to be the first one to put it on here. Who knows? And of course, if you just Google it, our Bridgestone Weatherpeak tires, all-weather tires, as you see right here, that's the answer right there. Depending on where you look, it says all season, but true all-weather protection. Same thing here, all-weather tires. But again, you decide that for yourself. Just wanted to share that with you. One thing to add, of course, when you, or if you do buy any tires, no matter what tires, Bridgestones, Goodyear, Michelin, it doesn't matter, take advantage of the rebates that's usually on those tires, any tires, okay? Again, it's your money, save as much as you can. Now, some of you good people out there have already purchased a brand new set of 4 tires, and you like them, feel free to share the comments below, and that way we can all take part in the knowledge and experience that people have with different things. And again, it's all about sharing. Would I buy them again? I probably would. But again, because I like to try different things, I think I'm going to try some of the all weather tires next time. All right, not all season, another all weather tires. And with that said, thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.